Good evening, viewers. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Bosco Media Network. Here are the headlines for today. Functioning of Ilaka administration in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council affected due to lockdown. Heavy rush in GPO for submission of master sheets and assignment. Heartbeat 6 takes over as PSM inspected General Meghalaya Pantia and 2 rounds in the North River Yalpi. And now the news in detail. The executive member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council in charge Ilaka administration, Jambor Wal, today said that the COVID-19 pandemic has drastically affected the functioning of his department. Speaking to the media, Wal said that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council is unable to hold elections for traditional heads whose terms have expired and also for tribal chiefs due to COVID-19 pandemic. He, however, reiterated that his department will be able to speed up all the pending works that have accumulated during the national lockdown to contain the spread of COVID-19 with gradual relaxation of lockdown in the state. There are many instances that the traditional heads have been placed under suspension due to complaints including irregularities, and acting chiefs and acting sordas have been appointed in their place as a stopgap arrangement while the council is investigating the matter, War said. He also added that all these matters have come to a standstill due to COVID-19 pandemic. As of now, there are 54 Ilaka under the KHADC jurisdiction, 17 Saimship, 3 Lingdorship, 1 Wahadarship, 33 Sordarship, which sum up to 54 Ilaka. War also informed the media that there is a strong desire in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council that all the traditional institutions should function in accordance with their own codified laws. A special committee on codification of Ilaka administration has already been set up by the KHADC to assist all those traditional institutions that are yet to have their own codified law for smooth and effective administration within their traditional jurisdictions.
Ba ka Ilaka administration na laban ong baka day ka way nagi department kam ga bakrao ba ya ka district council kumno ban kan klanya ka ne ka sanchar ka khadar nomor lada ka ne ka sanchar ka khadar ka jumi ka klan ka mot ba ka jag benriu ka jumi ka yo bor ngala ban ong ba ka kan nang klan na ka way ka porsa dengan semua baka nomor hapo ka administration kemut ka kalau kobarlut iki berkot piong ya ka kendau ka siap bro ka hapo ka administration piong ya ka riti ka dustul piong ya ka kur ya ka jat te kemut ngesngo baka kaneka administration ka kemut ka dei ka subject ka ba dan kam ni ka district council te na kaliang jong ka na district council kadon ya kini ki an ki ban pek ya ka sensyar ka kadar na ka banta ki hima bat ki Ilaka ki jumi te kawai na ki an ki ba ka district council ka pentrikam haduk menta ka de ka appointment and succession of chief and headman at Katandai Spa Sanpo Kandai but kabar pat kedai ka Ilaka Administration Act kaba shejar kandai spa kandai te kidai kini ki acts ki ba ka district council adu mental lembaga Ilaka Administration ka penyat ya ka sensyar ka kadar na ka bentaki niki hima ki jumi te ngan shu itu ru pi ba hapo ka jurisdiction jongka KHADC mentangi dan san pusau terliki hima ki Ilaka ki jumi dengan syutu ipi ba pintep kalong ba kisemship ki dan khat nyau li nangta ki lendoship ki dan laidli nangta ka wahadadarship ka dan kawai bat kisadarship ki dan laidli barakhat ki dan san pusau te nakini kisan pusau teli ki hima kiba nidon apo ka jurisdiction jongka KHADC dengan syutu yepi ba namar ba nalor kini ki acts kiba kiba ka district council ka panya ya ka sensar ka khadar na ka banta kini ki ilaka kini ki hima ki chungi kani ka kumbang ong ka appointment association of chief and headman kat kandai spa san bu kandai ka ilaka administration act kat kandai spa kandai puai te ngidan kamru ban codify ya ki acts jong ki hima kanang bakan complain chu ni haban codify ya ki acts jong ki hima namar ha ka sensar ka khadar hapo ki hima ki ilaka ki jungi ki affair kadan ke jungi affair ngamut ban ong na ka wei ka hima sa ka wei ka hima na ka wei ka ilaka sa ka wei pat ka ilaka te namar kata habangidan hangme kalong bangi kwa ban penne pensa ya kita ki riti ki dustur ki jungi ha ka sensar ka khadar bat hakiwi ki dustur ki jungi te namar kata nginum kwa ban ong ba ngin chu generalize no ya kene karukom sensar ka jungi bakan long tanggawai den ringi ko aban penne halak kirukom sensar nomor ka kajak benriu ka jungi ko mangi om kalong ka beruspa bah ka riti ko tusto kita ko jungi kan long ka baklan te kani kala dei ko ka thong bat ha ka dei bat kani ni la thong ni ka wi ka committee ka ni khot ka ilaka ka special committee on ilaka administration but kani ka committee menta kadang pek benia kani nila syong ya ka committee ka arsim ba ise ba nila nan proses ni kumno bangin teng klan ka ila ka aks ka nang ni but kapa ar ka ba kani ka committee kan le kalong kum mga laon ba nakabenta kini ki aks jong ki hima ki ba dang sakut menta baru gubernur badang sakur ru bat ka DCA jung korman te yakini ru mentangi la proses ba ngin tembet tembiang kenang ba kiru kin yo na ka apruba bat na ka benta gini ki apply teliki hima ki ba hadu menta ngimpat pha ka proposal te na kaliang jong ka ni ka special committee rengkat bangal ya mencak jong ka ngila penbek bangin khot yaki na ka benta ba nginyarap yaki bakin penkrat yaki proposal bill jongki aks ki jongki kenang ba nang ne council ngin yo ban pas no bat ba ngin approach ban yo na yaka approva sa DCA shedu ko.
The Shillong General Post Office has been the site of heavy rush since the past 2 days. Hundreds of students and their guardians lined up to submit answer sheets and assignment for different exams conducted by NEHU and other universities. In view of the pandemic, the examinations in most colleges in the city were conducted online. Some students and their parents suggested arrangements should have been made for submitting answer sheets in their respective colleges. Meanwhile, National Students' Union of India, Meghalaya, has decided to submit a memorandum to the state government tomorrow to express their displeasure over the situation. Mr. Hardeep Singh on Wednesday assumed the charge as Inspector General of the Border Security Force, Meghalaya Frontier. He succeeds Kuldeep Saini, who retired from the service after rendering 36 years of service. Hardeep Singh joined this frontier on promotion and posting from Jammu Frontier BSF. Mr. Hardeep Singh is a highly professional BSF cadre officer of 1986 batch and a well-decorated officer, having served in various BSF headquarters and units in various capacities, including the prestigious Training Institute BSF Academy, Tikanpur. On taking over the charge, he emphasized on the cooperation of all concerned stakeholders for an effective border management in the state. He also expressed his concern on maintaining cordial relations with the border population, which is the first step towards having peaceful and crime-free border. He said that the main task of BSF is to create a sense of security among the border population, and this will remain his first priority as Inspector General of Meghalaya Frontier. Two persons, Julius Limba, 27 years, and Taryang Limba, 8 years old, died in an unfortunate event today in the morning at Shnongpning village, West Janta Hills district, when their boat capsized at Shnongpning Umngot River while fishing around 5:30 a.m. When the incident happened, there were 4 of them on the boat for fishing, and all of them were female. 2 of them could not save themselves, but Jils and Isnei Limba managed to save themselves by swimming to safety. Search and rescue by PS and FES staff to retrieve the 2 persons, and SRT from Shillong is leading the rescue operation. Let us now have a glimpse of COVID-19 update for today. With that, we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.